I got my boy Chris right there. Look at him. He's smiling big on, I don't know what he smiling for. Oh, you better got to put some air in them tires, baby. But hey, man, everybody's showing up, baby. Let's get it started. Oh, he got the Baja lights on that baby. Everything. Yeah, good boy. Was you over there? Was you over there? Probably not, man. Y'all, we at Black Gold. That's Buster right there. Chris. Got the Oleans. Is that the, what seat is that? The Apparel seat?
That's a Saddleman, yeah.
That's a Saddleman?
Yep.
Okay. Bryce coming? Man, I like them floorboards, dude. Oh, check out the floorboards. Ah, man.
Some sunshine?
Is that the Clockworks wraparound? Which Clockworks? Which wraparound is that?
The fender is Kuryakin.
Kuryakin, okay. Oh, he got the Baja turns in this too. Yeah.
You lost somebody. You lost somebody.
We run the S&S system. That's S&S sound good, man.
Thanks, man.
Dude, when you pulled up, I was like, ooh, yeah. Yes, sir.
I'm not super sold on the mufflers. They're pretty poppy. You know what I mean? As far instead of like rumbly.
See, see, I got some Chromeworks at home. So that's what I'm probably end up putting back on because I like the rumble too.
Yeah.
And the tabs I got on here now, I like them, but they loud. People hear you.
Yeah.
So, but
I live in an apartment, so like going down the parking garage, I just can tell everybody fucking hates me.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah. So yeah, man, we here at Black Gold, baby. So yeah, that boy sounded good when you were coming down the road. I thought you were Matt. I said, is that Matt? Yeah, dude, it sounded good. Oh, and you got the, was that all in there set up too?
Yep.
Okay. Oh, it's real clean too. I like that.
Yeah, I like those risers because they have the built-in gauge relocation in them.
Right. Oh,
Most
okay.
of the time, you have to clip them on top and you sacrifice the screen.
I see that. Yeah, they get the full boards on that baby. Yeah. You got it right. But man, we're gonna get up with y'all, all right? When everybody gets here.
Party.
What's up, man? Kelly B, man.
Driller Niner,
Nice to meet you, man. What up, good people?
What's up, Kelly?
What's going on with you?
His bike won't start. I think his battery died.
Dang it, boy. We're gonna get my man battery started. How you been, Tracy?
Good. His bike never stalls. It's like, are you kidding me? Hi. Good.
Here we go, baby. Here we go. We are finna get on the road. We offer to get it in. I told you these passenger rides, baby. Yes, sir. messed with my camera and I was in the wrong gear, y'all. Say we ride, baby, we ride hard and strong and long, baby. I know that don't even sound right, man.
I looked up and you were
Hey, I seen y'all getting, I said, you know what, let me jump on this inside lane and let me come on around for a little while. Let me stretch it out a little bit. I didn't record that. I didn't even have my cameras on when I came past y'all.
Oh, you didn't?
When he came past us, what he means is when we stopped.
Wait, hey, I was gonna catch up. We rode some crazy roads just then. I didn't video none of it. But man, the roads was crazy.
I wanted to go ahead, but I was like, fuck the guests gonna watch.
Yeah, I'm pretty good if I stay on that line.
No, you were doing good.
That's why I do that.
Yeah.
It's like, and then if I'm not sure, then I get over a little bit because I don't know what's going on.
I mean, you were in and out real good.
I kept seeing all that freaking gravel in the road.
Yeah,
I know. I was doing this. It's like, shit, there's a lot of gravel right there. So I'm, okay, you guys, he knows.
Yeah, there's a lot of gravel in the road.
Yeah, that was
gravel there. I saw you going like
we out in the country, baby.
No.
That was a nice road right here. Brought us all the way up to Sherman.
I said, now listen, you need to not I know how him and Chris is, so I'm like, we need to be careful because we don't want anyone getting hurt.
That same spot.
Was that on video?
I didn't video none of that. I didn't even turn the camera on, dude.
Yeah, he was having too much fun.
Yeah.
Well, that
I didn't turn the camera on. Yeah, now, if I had a 360, that'd have been crazy. That's what you needed, man.
With all the cars coming.
I've got it.
There wasn't too many cars.
So I wish they would repaint this road.
Well, these are some amazing roads back here. I mean, some nice roads back here. When I say twists and curves and everything, oh my God, it's crazy. Back here, y'all. That Tracy be riding, y'all. She be in that thing. To lean this 20 with this 21-inch wheel on here. Hey, if you got the right shocks on here, hey, it's no problem. It rides just like a 19 or a 16, whatever you got on your bike. And plus, I got the lowering kit on my bike, so my bike is lowered 1 inch in the front. So if you see my bike and a lot of other 21 bikes, oh man, that road is jacked up right there. Oh, right there too. But yeah, I got a progressive lowering kit on my bike. And I love it. And I went with a heavier oil, so it's a little stiffer ride in the front. It ain't too bad. It's not real still. It's actually just right. This has been a fun ride today. All I do is stay probably third and fourth gear. That's it. appreciate y'all following along with me. My new subscribers, hey, we got more coming this year, so make sure y'all hang on, man. Hang on. Get your friends and family to subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna take you on the journey this year, 2024. So I'm definitely gonna do that. I don't exactly know where I'm going yet, but I'm going somewhere, dog. You know what I'm saying? Man, that sun is blinding me. Yeah, it's a beautiful day out here. So, but man, until next time, baby, the next grind. Y'all stay safe. Y'all have a blessed week. Cause this is Sunday. Y'all have a blessed week and stay safe out there, man. I love y'all, man. Much love, man. I'm out. Peace.